If you're wondering how to engage your audience on Facebook so that you can get more clients, you're in the right place, because that's exactly what we're going to be talking about today. The amount of time that you spend interacting with your audience is directly related to the amount of business that you're going to get from social media. One of the things that we find is that when people ignore their audience or they don't interact with their audience, their businesses suffer. So if you're looking to grow your business through social media, you must be present and you must be interacting with your audience at all times. It's one of the things that creates that deep connection with you, and it allows people to feel like they have that bond with you, that fully connected experience where you then demonstrate yourself as the expert, as the authority, and someone who they can trust. The best way to do that is by interacting with your audience. That's what we're going to be talking about today. I'm going to give you some strategies and some things that you can follow right away to start having an impact on the way that you attract clients from social media. For those of you who don't know me, it's Chris Prouty, and for the last 22 years, I've had thousands of paying clients who I've helped grow their businesses by getting new customers from the internet and from social media. But I do it in a way that's a little bit different, a way like you might not think. And if you're new to my channel, now would be a genius time to subscribe so that you can get alerts every single time I create new content like this. When you do subscribe, let me know in the comments so that I can send you a quick thank you. So very grateful. My clients come to me because they get paid to do something they love. And while they have attracted some business from the internet, they know there's more for them. And they tell me that it's frustrating to know that there's more business out there and it just hasn't come to them. So we fix that with step-by-step plans that I do with them to help them attract more clients and generate revenue doing something that impacts people. And if that sounds like you and you're interested in learning more about how to attract clients from the internet, I've created an on-demand workshop for you. Just go to proutyclass.com. Give me your email address. I will send you direct access to that on-demand workshop so that you can start doing the same thing. Lots of case studies and examples and step-by-step plans in that on-demand workshop. So when you're interacting with your audience, when you're interacting with your connections on Facebook, on any social platform, it's going to be very important to be aware of all the different ways that you can do that. But being present and interacting in any way is going to be better than doing nothing. One of the first ways that I would recommend is to make sure that you're going through your content and replying to all the people who comment. It doesn't mean that you have to take an entire day doing this, just do it in small pieces every single day. But replying to people who comment is one of the best ways to get more people to comment on your social posts. More comments means more reach, means more visibility, means, that's right, more clients. So reply, interact, respond every step of the way. It's so very important to do. Even if you just go through and give the applause, meaning the like or the love or whatever the little thing that you click is, to let people know that you saw their comment. Anything that you can do is going to help encourage more of that. And if you are interested in growing your business and learning about things like that, please go to proutyclass.com, please, and take that on-demand workshop because I made it just for you so that you can learn more things like this. Another strategy that I would recommend is using direct messenger. So often overlooked and so often misused. Direct messenger is a great way to interact with your audience. But if you do it in a sales first method, you're going to be shut down. People are going to ignore you. They will unfollow you, unfriend you, they'll block you because no one wants to be sold to through direct messenger. Instead, use direct messenger to increase the value that you bring to your audience. Share additional bits of information through direct messenger. If you have a newsletter or you've produced a case study, use direct messenger to your perfect prospects and just say, hey, I just created this. Would love to get your feedback. Would love for you to check it out. And offer it in that capacity. But don't ever lead with sales. No matter what, never, ever let the very first message you send be a sales pitch. Holy moly, that is going to backfire on you. Think about when it happens to you and people send you direct messages that are a sales pitch right away. It is so unbelievably annoying. So don't do that. Instead, build the relationship, build the connection, show your expertise through direct messenger. And the third technique that I will share with you and the tip that I will give you today is to always lead with gratitude. When you message people, when you are responding to comments, when you're interacting with your audience, make sure that you're expressing gratitude every step of the way. Thank people for their comments and for their likes. Thank them for their interactions. When people share, thank them. I've run into people in public who have shared my content, and I go out of my way to thank them for sharing my content. Just like I will thank you right now for being a part of this broadcast. Lead with gratitude. The more you thank, the more you will get in return. I promise you that will happen for you. And if you're looking for ways to get more clients, this is going to be one of the fastest and most effective things you can do. It's also very easy to do. You don't have to do a lot aside from thanking people and interacting with them. And if you're looking for more techniques on how to attract clients, just head over to proutyclass.com and take my on-demand workshop. You're going to see case studies, examples, and step-by-step plans on how to use social media to wildly grow your business. And if you're interested in having me do it with you, you'll get the opportunity to do that in that workshop as well. If you'd like to have me sit side by side with you virtually through the magic of the internet, that's exactly what we'll be able to do. So head over there and do that right now, because while everything that I've just taught you is incredibly important, but it might not be the only thing that you need right now, I'm going to put another link for a video right here for you to check out right now that's going to help you get even more clients into your business. And if you click on my face, well, you can subscribe to this channel and get alerts every time I create new content like this.